good you are as a driver, Ringo. Okay, good one. Alright, now one more turn here, Ringo. Come on, come back. Hey, Ringo, where are you going? Oh, I see. You just want to check the engine first, is it your mechanic, right? There must be something wrong with the car. So, is everything okay, Ringo? Come on. Excellent, Ringo. Okay, guys, come on, a big hand for Ringo. Thank you, Ringo. Okay, now Ringo here is still with us, and now I would like to call for his girlfriend here. Name is Shanti. What's Scarlett McCall? Come on, girl. Wow, good choice, Ringo. Okay, now Mrs. Oman, what do we have here for both of them? We have a sliding board. I believe everyone should play this game, right? Okay, now let's see. Let's see what's the idea of having fun. Okay, now let's start with Ringo first. Okay, Ringo, slow and steady all the way to the top. Shanti, come along. And now you can go, Ringo. Come on. Good, Ringo. Okay, Shanti, let's see what's your style. Excellent, more stylish. Okay, guys, come on, a big hand for both of them.